Hi everyone! Today I will make a very simple, quick and easy recipe with sweet potato. It's a pretty popular street food snack among the teens in Vietnam. The dish is called Khoai lang kén or sweet potato cocoon. Let's begin.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need 500 grams of sweet potato, 35 grams all-purpose flour, 50 grams tapioca starch, 60 grams of cornstarch, and 15 grams of sugar, sesame seeds, 30 grams of milk, and vegetable oil for frying. Peel and cut the sweet potato into small pieces. You can use either yellow, orange, or purple sweet potato for this recipe. And then steam for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's fork tender. Then transfer to a large bowl and mash well. Add the all-purpose flour, whipping cream or milk. Also add sugar and tapioca starch. Mix well and knead until combined. If it's too dry, you can add some more milk or cream. When it comes together, you can let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then pinch a thumb-sized piece and shape into an oval silhouette. That looks so much like a cocoon, that's why it's called sweet potato cocoon. Next, mix some cornstarch with water, add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Stir well and drop the sweet potato cocoons into the batter to coat. Then deep fry until golden brown. When they are all nicely golden brown, just remove and drain on a rack to drain off the excess oil. It's crispy on the outside with the nutty and fragrant taste of sesame, with the piping hot, soft and fluffy sweet potato inside. It's gonna taste so good with some sweet chili sauce. Your kids gonna love this. I hope you give it a try and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. I will see you then in the next video. Bye!